Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm visiting Max, one of Sweden's most popular fast food restaurants. You can order here. I really like their modern cozy interior. If you're visiting Sweden, Max is definitely worth trying for tasty and enjoyable fast food experience. I tried the chicken wings, some burger, french fries, and smoothies. The chicken was juicy, tender, and full of flavor. I also tried the strawberry milkshake and it's good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more food adventure and travel. See you soon in the next video.